Welcome back, game developers. Your clicker works great, but let's make it feel alive with sound effects. Every professional game has audio feedback. When you click, you should hear something. We'll add sounds from Scratch's library and trigger them with code. Let's dive in. First, let's find the perfect sound. Look at the top left corner. You'll see tabs for code, costumes, and sounds. Click the Sounds tab. Your workspace changes to show audio tools. Now look at the bottom left corner. See that blue button with a speaker icon? That's Choose a Sound. Click it to open Scratch's massive sound library. You'll see hundreds of free sounds organized by category. For our clicker game, we need something short and satisfying. Type pop in the search bar at the top. You'll see several pop sounds appear. Click on the one called Pop. Listen to the preview. Perfect. That's our click sound. It's now added to your Sprite sound collection. Back to the Code tab. Let's make this sound play when clicked. Remember your When This Sprite Clicked block from last lesson? We're adding to that code. Click the Code tab to return to your blocks. Now, click the pink sound category on the left. Look for the block that says Start Sound with a drop-down menu. The drop-down should already show Pop. That's the sound we just added. Drag this block and snap it into your click handler right after Change Score by 1. Your code should now have 3 blocks connected. When this sprite clicked, Change Score by 1, and Start Sound Pop. Each click now does 2 things: increases the score and plays audio. Let's test it. Click the green flag, then click your sprite multiple times quickly. Hear that? Pop, pop, pop. The sound confirms every successful click. This is called audio feedback. Professional game developers use it to make games feel responsive and fun. Try clicking faster. Satisfying, right? Excellent. You've learned how to import sounds and trigger them with events. Your game now feels more professional with audio feedback. Next lesson, we'll add power-ups using math operations to multiply your score. See you then.